Hey everyone, it's New Year's Eve and we just had a couple messages from you about the New Year. So I hope you're raising a glass. I'll note today I have coffee instead of champagne. So just a heartfelt message from our team.
Hi everyone, New Year's Eve. Just finished end of month, end of year, and we're looking forward to 2021 here at Keller Williams, Southeast Los Angeles. And I look forward to seeing all of you either on Zoom or in the office. We're here to help you, we're here to work with you, and let's make it a great year.
Hi, it's Rich here, and I just wanted to wish you all a happy new year. It's been a challenging and painful year for so many of us. And I wanted to just share with you, some thoughts as we say goodbye to 2020 and then move into 2021. And that is that it's important, to really have a positive mindset about this new year, to have focus, to have consistency, to control, our mindset around, what we want to accomplish for ourselves, for our families, for our clients. We're excited about this new year. The expectations are the market's going to be strong, just like it was this year. Interest rates are going to continue to be at all-time lows. And we're excited because we have some great new programs that we're going to be sharing with you and rolling out to help support you, so that you can continue to move forward in your growth and reach your potential in real estate. That's what we are committed to. So again, Happy New Year. And as we again say goodbye to 2020 and toast 2021, I just want to let you know how excited I am and grateful I am to be in business with all of you. And I'm looking forward to an exciting new year.
Today on New Year's Eve, I just wanted to take a moment to reflect on the year that has been 2020. I know 2020 has been an immensely challenging year for all of us, and we've experienced immense loss, from the loss of one of our own to the extended family members of you, our KW family. And I want to honor that loss and those that have faced immense struggle this year, or illness this year. And I also want to honor each and every one of you. You see, in times of great need, we see great resilience. This year has brought out the best in so many of you. We've seen your hard work, your sacrifice, your compassion, your commitment to bettering of humanity in 2020, more so than in most years, because when we have great need, you come and fill that need. From the frontline healthcare workers to the stay-at-home parents to the essential workers of all stripes, we choose to see the positive in a year that had so many negatives. And we want to celebrate the wins, from the deals that you've been out there closing in what has probably been one of the craziest years in real estate, to all the new babies that were born this year and the growing families, to not one, but 2 weddings. Congratulations. We have so much to celebrate if we choose to see the silver lining. And we want to extend our sincerest thanks to you for your faith in us, but also your resilience. As a real estate professional, you are tasked with bringing people home. A word and a place that has never mattered more. In this pursuit, we hope to be the facilitator of cooperation and compensation, your reliable technology partner, and your steadfast ally. Thank you for the valuable work that you do, for trusting us through it all. We're here to support you in every way that we can, and we hope that you have a safe, healthy, and happy holiday.
Happy New Year's 2021.
Happy New Year's from our KW family to yours.
Cheers.